When performance truly matters, the industry trusts Badger Brands. For over a decade, we've kept flow under control, powering global progress. Badger Brands offers a complete range of industrial valves engineered to perform, extending to critical components for reliable systems. High-quality seals and gaskets designed for demanding applications. From new installations to system upgrades, our portfolio delivers the quality and durability your operation demands. Precision-crafted seals and robust gaskets ensure leak-tight integrity and long-term performance. For precision or safety, Badger Brands has the perfect valve and sealing solutions for you. Every product is crafted with premium materials and state-of-the-art technology. Ball valves, gate valves, check valves, globe valves, butterfly valves, pressure relief valves, custom solutions. And don't forget our full assortment of industrial-grade seals and precision-engineered gaskets, essential for airtight and reliable operation. Need more from your valves? Our expert team offers comprehensive repair services, bringing valves back to life. OEM parts and certified technicians. Accuracy is absolutely key. Badger Brands provides expert calibration and testing, ensuring every valve, seal, and gasket performs as specified. Prevent problems with our customized maintenance programs. Our technicians work with your schedule, minimizing disruptions and maximizing uptime. We inspect and service your valves, seals, and gaskets, delivering complete peace of mind. Planned maintenance, emergency response, on-site support, detailed reporting. Our maintenance plans are tailored for your needs, including support for your valves, seals, and gaskets. Why choose Badger Brands? We're more than a supplier, we're your partner committed to lasting relationships. Decade of experience. Dedicated support, industry-certified, sustainable solutions. With Badger Brands, you get industry-leading expertise and sustainable solutions. We deliver outstanding valves, seals, and gaskets engineered to keep your operation running strong. Ready to optimize your operations? Contact Badger Brands today to discover how our valves, seals, and gaskets can transform your business. New valves, expert repairs, proactive maintenance, and comprehensive support. Badger Brands delivers excellence. Badger Brands, powering industries, protecting flow, and building strong partnerships.